Question 3. Sally, Eve, and Laura have some savings. A third of Sally's savings is equal to 40% of Eve's savings. Laura saves 20% less than Eve. If Sally saves $30 more than Laura, what is their combined total savings? Again, step 1, change all the percentage to fraction. So 40% is 2 out of 5. 20% is 1 out of 5. This is quite similar to question 1, so we're going to focus in on the second sentence. A third of Sally's savings is equal to 2/5 of Eve's savings. As mentioned in the previous questions, whenever a sentence mentions a fraction is equal to another fraction, step 1, make their numerators into the same number. So between 1 and 2, obviously their common numerator will be 2. We're going to change the 1/3 to 2 out of 6, alright, the equivalent fraction. What do we do after we have achieved a common numerator? We look at their denominator. The denominator will represent their total value in terms of units. So Sally's savings is 6 units. Eve's savings will be 5 units. So let's draw this down first. For Sally, we will have 6 units. So something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For Eve, we're going to have 5 units. Okay, to repeat, after we have achieved a common numerator, the denominator, for this case Sally, will be 6 units and Eve will be 5 units. The denominator will represent their own total, okay, as drawn here. Moving on to Laura. Laura saves 1/5 less than Eve, which means if Eve has 5 out of 5, given that Laura saves 1/5 lesser, Laura would be 4 out of 5. And in this case, Eve does have 5 out of 5. And Laura saves 1/5 lesser. So for Laura, you'll be 4 units. Okay, 4 out of 5. Moving on. If Sally saves $30 more than Laura, so we're going to compare Sally and Laura. So the difference of 2 units over here must be equal to $30. And finally the question, what is their combined total savings? What is this total amount over here? Now should be quite straightforward. We can see that 2 units is $30. First step. Next, we're going to find out what is 1 unit. So every unit is $15, which means this is 15, 15, 15, 15. The last step, what is their combined total savings? How many units are there? 6 plus 5 plus 4. There will be 15 units. So combined total savings will be $15 for a unit. We're going to find 15 units. So that will give us $225 as the answer.